Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel EnglishTube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on my family. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, my family is a happy and sweet family. Second line is, my family consists of my father, mother, and elder brother. Third line is, we all love to spend time with each other. Fourth line is, the time I get to spend with my family is priceless. Fifth line is, my family is very supportive. Sixth line is, it takes care of me and provides all my needs. Next line is, they teach me moral values and good habits. Eighth line is, my parents give me and my brother a lot of love, warmth, and security. Ninth line is, I am so lucky to have a wonderful family. Last line is I am very proud of my family.